So we're told that this box contains 7 fuses, 3 are defective and 4 are not defective. And we're asked to find the probabilities of selecting, where we are selecting 2 fuses, and we have these 3 scenarios: 0 defective, 1 defective, 2 defective. And so I can calculate these probabilities. Since we're selecting 2, our total number of cases would be, all possible number of ways I can select 2 fuses would be out of 7. So this would be 7C2. That's our denominator for the probability. And we have 3 cases. If we have 0 defective fuses, then we would be selecting from that pool of 4. So that's 4C2 over 7C2. And then 1 defective fuse means you select 1 from the defective pool and the other from the non-defective. That would be 3C1 times 4C1. Denominator remains the same. And then both of them defective means it has to come from that pool. So that's 3C2 over 7C2. So we don't even need to compute the denominator. We just have to compare these values. That one is the easiest, 3 times 4, which is 12. And then 3C2 is just 3. And then 4C2, 3, 4, 2, 2. So that's 6. So we have, this is 6 out of something. That is 12 out of something. And then finally 3 out of something. And that something is this guy, but we don't need to compute this, because the question is really about how do we make this graph correct. So you'll notice the middle one needs to be double that. And this one is, let's just see. So it would need to be double that. And then this is already double that. So yeah, I think if we look at the answer choices, the middle bar, k times the height, so you just have to double it, because then right now they're equal. If you double this, this will become 12. And then this is already double that, and then middle one would be 4 times. So that is correct. So the answer is, if we look at the choices, would be B, middle bar, k equal to 2.